Hello girls, my name is Anna and I'm sure you're already seen the 3D rose nail trend then is talking over the internet. So today we will be creating this beautiful design. I let you know in advance, please don't throw tomatoes at me as this is my first attempt and we will be watching, learning and correcting mistake together. Let's go! I will be working all nail tips. We cover the tips with white gel polish. The main color I will be using is purple. I put a drop of purple and a drop of white polish on the palette. On the tip I place a dot of the main color, which will represent a rosebud and cure in the lamp. After curing, I apply a drop of thick transparent gel on top of the color and cure it again. I gradually add white on the main color to create a gradient effect on the flower. And we alternate the color and the gel as shown in the video. The main thing is to ensure that the gel does not extend the boundaries of the color. After the entry procedure, I gradually remove the material using a removal drill bit to reveal a beautiful flower design. I also did a couple of drops of reflective gel polish. And we cover everything with a glossy top coat. Look how beautifully it turned out. Yes, it looks very delicate and lovely off the nails. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with new video. Bye bye!